Hello friends, so we are going to look into this one which is pretty good, Aweber. So Aweber can be connected through your workflows on GHL. You can carry out actions just as adding subscribers, updating subscribers, adding broadcast lists, updating them and so on. So through this video we are going to be showing you how to set this up and how to connect every stuff to get started. So let's quickly get started. Firstly, you need to connect to your GHL plugins account. When you're in, you go to workflow apps, and in workflow apps, you need to go to the available apps tab, and there you're going to search for Aweber. I will not see Aweber in the available tabs because I've installed that already. So in so many cases, you might have installed this app already but not connected. So you need to go to install and you check Aweber. So if this is your first app that you're installing, you need to connect. You need to connect and grab the custom menu link. If this isn't your first time, you just need to search for the app. You click on this, click on the app, and you go to setup. So it's going to open a new tab which will enable you connecting it to your GHL. So you need to select the agency you want to connect to. When you select the agency, it's going to ask you to allow access to all sub accounts on on your agency and enable automatic feature installations. So these are very important to enable and you proceed. When you click on proceed, the installation will be completed. So the next thing you do is you come back here. If this is the first app you're installing, you just need to copy the custom menu link. You grab the custom menu link and you go back to your GHL account. You switch to the agency view in order to add the custom menu link. For those who don't know how to add custom menu link, I'm just giving you a brief tutorial on how to do that. You switch to your agency view, then you go to settings. While in settings, you click on custom menu link, which is going to take you to the list of custom menu links if you have already. If you don't have, you can create. In all cases, you need to create a new custom menu link. So you need to click on the blue button, select the icon you wish to add for the link. When you select the icon, then you put in the link, the name of the link, and you paste in the URL we just copied earlier. Then here you can set up the preferences you would want to pop up on the sub accounts, and when everything has been done, you can just click on save. When you save that, everything will be set up and you're ready to start connecting your various apps that you have installed on GHL plugin. So now that everything has been set with our custom menu link, we have to just switch. It's easy. You just switch to the sub account. You just switch to the sub account that you want to work in. Make sure this sub account has rightly been connected in the custom menu link. And if at all you didn't use the agency connection on GHL plugin, then make sure this is the right account you connected. This is the right sub account you connected on GHL plugin for this app. So here we are going to search for that custom menu link we added previously. In my case, I connected it to my apps. So when we go to my apps, we're going to see the various apps that we've installed already. So we see the installed available apps, these ones. Then when we come here, we'll see the connected apps. So in my case, I would search for Aweber. Aweber has been connected already, which is this. And now we need, I'll show you quickly. I'm going to show you quickly how to connect your Aweber, how to set it up, completely setting up in order for you to easily use it in your workflow actions. So if we go to click on the redirect, you copy that, then you open this. So you can see here there is a quick guide to show you, but we are going to go or walk through how to get this credential. You need a client ID and you need to enter your client secret. So if we open this guide just briefly, you'll see you need to go to the developer portal. Then when you go to the developer portal, just to show you how easy this is to navigate, you go to the next page, next, that is connecting to the developer portal. However, then you go to my apps. Under my apps, you create a new API if you don't have. Then you're going to fill in this information, all those, you fill them up, And when you're done, paste in the URL redirect that we copied earlier. So you paste it in here, and when that is done, you're going to create your app. Now you have the client ID and the client secret that you can copy. The client ID and client secret, and everything is done. So we are going to enter here. We go for the search Aweber developer. We are logging into Aweber developer, then login. Now we are logged in. I just need to go to my apps. As simple as that. I already have my app created. If you don't have any app created yet, you need to create an app by filling this form. When you need a redirect, a URL redirect, you need to come back to your GHL. You close this and you copy this URL redirect, which you're going to use in here. So you paste it here, you fill all the information, and you can create your app. So now I have my client ID and my client secret that I'm going to copy and paste in here. So when you click here, it asks for client ID and client secret. You paste those two in here and you click on submit, and that is that your app has been connected successfully. Now what is left for you to be done is just to test. So to test this, you need to just fall into workflows. So you fall into workflows and you can start using the actions. How do you start using the actions? They are quite simple. Just like every other action on GHL, you can add these actions to your workflow, and you just need to click on the plus, and when you scroll down, if you have several apps, just mind it that this tab is going to be very long. So we are going to search for the Aweber service. This is Aweber service. These are all the actions that we can have under Aweber service. And when you use these actions, you're going to attack directly the Aweber service, that feature that you want to work with, without necessarily going in there, be it canceling a scheduled broadcast, schedule a broadcast, delete broadcast, update broadcast, create a broadcast, create a purchase, move a subscriber, delete a subscriber, update a subscriber, or add a subscriber on Aweber without necessarily going into Aweber. And this is done from your automations on G. Yeah, so this is pretty it. Very simple to install and get going with. Just get on this and let us know if at any point we can help you, we can assist you. You can book for an onboarding, you can book for a follow up, you can book for a support call, and we are available for you. So happy usage and have fun.